Hey, this is Trevor with SSV Works, and today on SSV TV, we're talking about rounding out the audio system of your CanAm Maverick R with bass, 10-inch subs under the driver and passenger seats. At SSV Works, we have another industry first for you for your CanAm Maverick R, which is a production quality 10-inch sub that fits underneath the driver and passenger seats. Our enclosure is designed to fit most conventional shallow mount 10-inch subs, so you can optimize the amount of airspace in the vehicle, get the best bass possible. This guy is designed to fit so that you can use the seat in the front high or front low position, which is the only enclosure in the market that we know of that will do that. Even the factory one doesn't give you that option. So for shorter drivers or people who want to be able to lower the front of their seat down, you're able to do that. Like all SSV Works enclosures, we use our sealed grommet system in order to pass wires into the enclosure, so installation is plug and play and simple for upgrading it with an amplifier. And the enclosure features a drain hole, so that way if you collect water, dirt, or mud on the top of it, it's going to just pass right through the drain hole without messing with the woofer or leaking inside the enclosure. The kit includes the enclosure, mounting brackets, needed hardware, and is designed to fit either our new V-Spec woofer or a conventional shallow mount 10-inch woofer. All SSV Works enclosures include a limited lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching our video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave your comments and feedback below. And for more information, go to ssvworks.com. I'm Trevor. This is SSV TV. We'll see you out there.